Hi everyone, I'm Chef Billy Lee. I'm R&D chef based in Penang. Today I'm going to share two recipes. One is lamb shank curry, the other one is lamb shoulder cutlet with garlic teriyaki sauce. I'm using lamb shank for my curry because lamb shank have a lot of collagen and is perfection for slow cooking. Okay, so after you cook, you get a very nice texture. So at the meanwhile, lamb shoulder also is easier for me to carry during hiking, and I can cook anywhere from outside. I like to use Australian lamb because they have a balanced flavor, and of course they have a nice strong lamb flavor, of course without the smelly flavor. In the lamb ambassador, I have more exposure on Australian lamb, and also I have chances to share my own recipe, my cooking technique to the chef and the consumer around the world.